Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mill's Garage. Today, we are going to be working on our buddy Andrew's Legacy. This thing's beautiful, and if you haven't noticed, there's a big box over here with BRAUM on it. Turns out, we are going to be installing some BRAUM seats on this Legacy over here. Step number one, we're just going to get these stock seats out, right? And then we can get working on the BRAUM seats.
Install time.
Install time, cool. So first, we just got the 2 bolts right in the front, and then slide it forward, and then in the back, we've got these 2 plastic pieces right here. We're gonna remove them, knock those bolts out, and we'll pull these out. Yep. Woo! So we've got the covers off and the bolts out, and so as you can see, these are just the mounting points. We're gonna pull the seat from the car now, and one thing that we noticed is the seat belt is actually attached to the seat. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off real quick, and then we should be able to remove the seat. One last thing down here, we've got some wires attached for the heated seats and the airbag sensors. The clips are just right up here. Just follow the wires up, unclip them. Make sure you disconnect the battery before you actually go messing around with these wires and everything, because, you know, with airbags and everything, you don't want them to deploy, so.
Oh, look, a quarter.
All right, so we've got the seats out, we cleaned up a little bit, and we got everything disconnected. We got Ryan over here.
Hey.
Hey, what's up? Shifting. And we are to the fun part. Now we're gonna be taking these seats out, and then we'll do a quick comparison. And yeah. It is comparison time, and as you can see, wow. This is, yeah, what do we got going on over here? Because
so these are the BRAUM ALPHA-X low seats.
Whew.
The only difference is the base of the seat will be a little different. So
okay.
These are the low base.
Wow, they look so clean. It looks like I think reptile skin type of pattern going on.
They do have the Elite series that they have called the Komodo, that actually has a reptile look to it. Yeah, saw those.
Really?
Those are beautiful. I was trying to choose between those or these, and I think these look amazing.
Yeah.
One of the red piping. This will be a very good weight reduction.
Yeah.
25 pounds each.
Woo! Super light.
Versus.
Yeah, they're a little bit heavy.
8, maybe.
They're a little heavy. You know.
They're retiring. Time to retire.
Now we can see that there is the height difference, but
also no brackets, so the bracket will still be here.
Yeah, so that is without the brackets on there. It turns out we need to have these other brackets, and luckily BRAUM has a brand that they work with called Planted, and they make these awesome aftermarket brackets for the seats.
Almost every model car.
For almost every model car? We're gonna have
They have a lot of models.
Yeah, we're gonna have to check these out possibly for our last project. We were installing some custom seats on the Subi, but
you have the right fitting.
yeah, but for this, we've got everything seemingly like it's going to bolt straight up. We'll let you know how it works out. You were saying that these have a lot of
3 different mounting hole positions, so we can figure out what works best for what we have.
Cool.
And our bolts are actually already in position, so we'll have to take them out to put it in.
Okay.
First, let's see how this fits inside the car.
Yeah.
Let's test
Make
it
sure
first. That's the passenger side on that one.
Cool. All right, and bracket in looks like
Lines up, it might just need to be, once we tighten it down, that should flex inwards.
yeah.
It's got a little gap in there, but
It doesn't look like anything's out of place. All of the bolt holes line up really, really well. And they've got this extra little bracket location for the seat belt on the passenger side. And then when we come over to the driver's side, you can see it does not actually have that, but that's okay because that is how it's supposed to be. So, perfect.
Yeah.
All right, so what do we got here?
Got some sliders.
Sliders, all right. It did come with these beautiful sliders. And so we are going to be mounting these sliders up to the bottom of the seats. Then we can get these awesome brackets and see how they match up with the seats and the sliders. Yeah.
Bingo.
All right, so working with the new hardware, we are finding that everything lines up, at least in the front, which is good because we only have 2 points that we can actually mount to on the sliders there. And on the rear, the sliders, we have a lot more adjustment options, but when we look at the bracket, we actually don't have any way to access any of those locations. So what are we gonna have to do, Ryan?
We got it lined up now so we can see a hole from underneath. We're either gonna mark it with a Sharpie, or I might take this and just score it so we can see where we need to drill. And then we're just gonna make our own hole.
Yeah.
That looks like one of these holes so we can still have the play and adjustment.
Right, so we're just gonna make a little bit of a change to the bracket.
Drill some holes.
Yeah, drill some holes. Then we can mount everything up.
Yep.
So, yep. I'm like downplaying that we're drilling holes. Just a little adjustment. And right now we are swapping over the seatbelt buckle, and on the new mounting brackets, there's a location to actually make the seatbelt attached to it. So, yep.
Cool.
Comes out, comes in, yeah, start pattern. Yep. And this will get the seatbelt in and out. So.
We'll go under here. So, oh, maybe.
Cool.
Maybe.
Sweet. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and mount this up real quick. Yeah. Yep, so that is installing BRAUM seats in your Legacy, and if you made it this far, you liked the video. So make sure to smash that like button down below, make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends, go to zturnerdesigns.com/millsgarage. We've got t-shirts, yeah, we've got t-shirts. Go get your favorite, look at this. We got the Subaru and we got the really awesome G35.
We like Subarus better.
But the
we do a lot of Subarus.
But the G35 is way better, and we'll, yeah. Anyway, so go to Z Turner Designs. Either way, we're gonna show you some pans and show you the final results of BRAUM seats in this beautiful show car Legacy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Woo.
I wonder if it's because of the extra wide ones is why they have trouble fitting.
Wow. Dude, these look so nice in here.
One of the requirements is professional photos.
There's nothing more professional than YouTube.
Well, any video counts quality wise.
Yeah?
I have to post 12 pictures, so if a video counts for 2 of them.
You want good lighting? This is it.
Yeah, right.
I will have to wrap skirts whenever they come in, which the guy said we still have them. So I'm holding back that.
Wow, that looks amazing in there. Andrew, let's see if this fits you. Go for it.
Fits me well.
Yeah. Woo, woo.
Nice fitment.
All right.
Nice bolstering.
Yo.
Nice fitment to run a harness.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
Andrew was saying that he possibly wants a 5-point harness in there, right? That'd be nice.
Yep.
Yeah. So, awesome work, Ryan. Woo. Awesome work.
Hop in, kids. Let's go to the candy store.
So yeah, lots more coming up. Make sure you're subscribed. Stay tuned. Yeah. Cool.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time.
Oh wait, hold on. I got it. After I say fragile, yeah. Cool. What? BRAUM seats? What? Fragile. Must be. Ah! Are you Italian?
That's French.
We. He says we.